Okay, this is the 1839 Cawi. It's really, really good locks. Not many locks that come along and withstand the test of time. And this is exactly what this lock does, in my opinion. I'll put this in the same category, say a Mercy lock. Not many locks come along and take time before we defeat them. Try to get the fucking hands out of the way. I'm supposed to film this. What's inside? So, what sets it apart is this curtain. This is what makes it a fun little lock. Basically, it sits in there like that. Very cool. Lever, 2 levers. Very reliable locks. I've only come across these when the people lose the keys, or they want to do an upgrade to some electronic crap for whatever reason. There's your bolt. There's a lock. Simple, basic. I'd consider this probably one of the best single bitted locks you can get. Definitely one of my favourites. It's given me headaches for many, many years. So I built a system specifically for it. Great lock. Some have the plastic ones, and some have the metal ones. You can also get one of these Cawis that doesn't have the curtain in it. These are really good. Try and get that camera. It's fairly similar to the 1824, I believe it is. It's the 14 lever class 3 version. So the techniques used to open this will be the same. I'm still not going to discuss that in public, but it can be done. Probably one of the best locks, single bitted you can get hold of.